believe in Allah. We believe that all life is sacred, that everyone has the right to dignity. We believe in going the extra mile to help people in areas others don't go. And we believe in the words of Allah, that with difficulty comes ease. Because each day we see your donations bring ease for people in desperate need. Even during the pandemic, we've carried on our critical work, transforming the lives of more than 13.8 million people. We've been quenching thirsts, protecting the vulnerable, building livelihoods, and educating bright young minds. This is all because of you, Alhamdulillah. And we believe in the words of the Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, who said, the likeness of the believers in regard to mutual love, mercy, and kindness is that of one body. When any part aches, the whole body aches. So most of all, we need you to keep believing. Islamic Relief. We are one.